Hello YouTube and welcome to my yet another tutorial, and this time the tutorial is about Inventory Master. If you don't know what Inventory Master is, I am not promoting the product because it's not mine, but if you don't know what it is, it's just a inventory. If I click play here, and I bring out the inventory and players equipment inventory, and pretty much there's more to this craft inventory and stuff like that. And if I grab this ring and I drag it to the inventory, as you can see, the health increased from 100 to 200, and this pretty much is called Inventory Master. As you can see on the left side, I believe it said somewhere in it, or okay, under the project, the file is called Inventory Master. So if you know what I'm talking about, this video is about how to upgrade this inventory when equipped an item. Now you can already increase and decrease your stats of the player, but how do you actually make them work? I mean, you can increase them and decrease them just visually, but what about how to make them work actually, and make them like, let's say if my let's just go here real quick, inventory, I'm gonna add something to it. Alright, and if I drag this item to the inventory, and this item's tooltip, it pretty much says it added over 10,000 health, 100 mana, 440 armor, 525 damage. That damage, that's what I'm going to show you how to make it work when this item is attached to the equipment. When it's been equipped, to actually for the player to deal that damage, you know, to actually have an effect on onto the enemy, that damage. It's pretty simple. That is what I'm going to show you. Now, if you don't have an Inventory Master, that is totally fine. There are awesome tutorials out there for free that you can, you know, follow and make inventories and inventory equipped inventory for the player. And so if you came across this video and you don't have any kind of inventory, this just won't make any sense at this point, unless you're really good at programming. Then I mean, you know, I don't mind anybody watching it. I mean, you never know, you might learn something from just watching this type of tutorial and implemented the concept of using something through this tutorial into your own project in some other way. It might not be in an inventory, it might be something else. Okay, so let's start. First thing, if I have in my project, I have 4 enemies, and each of the enemy has an enemy health script. If you don't have that, please make one or 2 or multiple enemies and attach enemy health to it. If you don't know how to make enemy health script. I'll show you real quick, or actually previous tutorials I have showed how to make an enemy health. Just watch my previous tutorial on multiple enemy attacks. Pretty much that's going to show you how to make enemy health and attacks and do damage to the enemy enemy. So one of those scripts, which is enemy health, you'll need to bring out. Next script is going to be close attack. Again, this close attack script, you can find it in my previous tutorial called multiple enemy attacks. Bring that out. I didn't bring out the enemy health. Wow. Okay, come on, enemy health. Where are you? There you go. Okay. Enemy health. And if you have an inventory master, find inventory master folder on the project. Scripts folder, click on it. Example scripts, click on it. Player inventory, double click on it to open it. So 3 scripts. You'll need 3 scripts for this tutorial. Okay. First, let's look at close attack. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Let's look at player inventory. On the player inventory, again, if you have the inventory master, under the script you'll have max health, current health, current mana, current damage, current armor, max armor, all that stuff, and all of them are under float, which is good. I like to work with float for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. So if you have that opened up in MonoDevelop or Notepad++, you can also use it. Scroll down, find function called unequip, I believe, unconsume, ungear item. Okay, find the function public void ungear item. Under that, look for the line of code where it says damage. Okay, this line of code, if you look at your line of code, you will not see these brackets. You'll need them, so keep in mind. And you'll only have this line of code. If you haven't added adjusted this script or anything on the damage here, you'll only have this line of code. To this line of code, you'll need to call a function or update the function, which is going to be called access close attack. Why do I call it access close attack? Because my attack script is code close attack, so that way I know that I'm accessing the close attack script. Okay, so just type in access close attack parentheses, open and close, and then semicolon, and go up above on consume item, make a function called void access close attack, open and close parentheses, and inside the brackets, I'm going to explain this in a minute. My video is running out of time.